Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to remove entry's IP address in the remote desktop connection client Windows 11, 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar, click regedit. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand terminal server client, click default, delete all entries except default. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.